Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your Sony camera to your laptop with HDMI cable. Now obviously what you are going to need is obviously the cable. So on the one side we have ordinary HDMI cable, and here on this side is this one, as you can see. So micro HDMI, and right here is the place where you put this cable into the camera. Then what you need also is this. For example, I have this one HDTV video capture. So with that I put here my monitor output. Input is camera, and then here on this side is USB cable, which I plug in into my laptop, and then through the OBS um, program I have basically my webcam. So this is it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.